So we're starting off our little trip to Nonthaburi here at Swan Tip, a restaurant set in the most amazing, beautifully restored Thai house on the most amazing grounds right on the river's edge, specialising in central Thai home cooking. Now this restaurant was awarded a Michelin-starred, not a Bib Gourmand, a Michelin-star, and I think this is the first Michelin-star Thai restaurant that I've eaten in Thailand. So I'm super excited, guys. I hope you're excited too. I'm also extremely hungry, so let's go. So we got here nice and early because we wanted to sit on the river, and what an amazing spot. You walk through this beautifully kept garden, through these little walkways around this lovely little pond, and then you get to the river's edge where there's little seating areas, which is where they've sat us, and we got here early, as I said. So it's 11:30 now, we've just got here. So that would be my top tip. It's Saturday, so it is going to get busy later. Saturday, get here as early as you can to avoid disappointment. Oh, almost walked into the pond. Yeah, just everyone sort of getting on with their daily life over the river. Absolutely incredible scenes, and hopefully the food is absolutely delicious. It looks really good. It looks like classic central Thai cooking, and I'm very excited. Beautiful. That's what you're interested in, isn't it, bud? Khao niao. Is this getting a thumbs up early doors? Is it hot? What, thumbs up, yeah? All right, so we've got that herb marinated grilled chicken, Thai style. See, lots of garlic, lots of pepper. Coming with a little salad, we got some pak bung, water spinach, green beans, cabbage. So we've got Thai style papaya salad, so papaya, green beans, chili, peanuts, tomatoes, dried shrimp, and a little dressing, fish sauce, palm sugar, garlic. You want the Som Tum? Got Nam Jim Jiao, you know this is my favourite chilli sauce, Nam Jim Gai, sweet chilli sauce, sort of tamarind, dried chilli, onions, toasted rice. Yeah? What did you just say? Mmm. Classic Thai Som Tum. Spicy, sour, a little bit sweet. All right, I've managed to nick myself a little bit of the grilled chicken. We'll go into that Nam Jim Jiao. All right, yeah, that's decent, isn't it, mate? Alloy na?
Yeah, he likes.
Alloy mark. Smoky, soft. And this is actually full of mackerel lime leaves, as well as the shallots and the pak chi, which is coriander. Absolutely beautiful. Loads and loads of lime juice in this one as well. Sometimes they're just tamarind, whereas this lime juice that's got that real nice sort of citrusy kick. Smoky, peppery chicken. It's a good spot. And where else could I be in a Michelin-star restaurant and be eating with my hands? All right, my curry's turned up, guys. So I've got the beetlenut leaf curry with grilled pork neck and little salted anchovies, a little ajat on the side, a little pickled veg number. Here, hun. Babe, I got you some flowers. Hun, I got you some flowers.
Thanks.
Happy Valentine's Day.
It is not even Valentine's.
All right, happy birthday. I love the pots. Very Thai. Steamed rice. All right, so I've also got some kanam, some fermented rice noodle, fresh rice noodle. So let's have a look at this. Look, you got that beautiful oily coconut-based curry, and then that grilled pork neck. Well, I'm going to try this with my kanam because I prefer it with kanam. Chuck on a few of these little salty anchovies. Right, let's try this pickled veg. As you'd expect with any central Thai curry, it is a little bit sweet, but then you've got like that beautiful bittersweet leaf. If no one's tried this before, any of my Vietnamese viewers, this would be lolop. So, you know, wild piper leaf that you get wrapped in beef and grilled in Vietnam, and we get it in Thailand as well. But what I love about this are these tiny little salted fish, and usually when you get these little salted fish in Thailand, they're usually really sweet. These are more like akin to what you'd get in Malaysia, so they just give you the most amazing salty little kick. The pork's super soft, fragrant, coconutty, oily curry. Perfectly mopped up with these fresh rice noodles. Perfect. And Helen's got a whole sea bass in tamarind sauce, but this to me looks like nung si u, whole steamed fish with ginger and soy sauce. All right, last thing, I'm going to try a bit of this fish. And when we read it off the menu, it said, what did it say? Sort makham, tamarind and ginger. So I was expecting like actually like a tamarind sauce like you'd usually get with prawns, but this is actually more like a nung siu. So a fish steamed with soy sauce. So what it is, it's fried fish with spring onion, Chinese celery, ginger, shiitake mushrooms, pak chi, which again I've forgotten the name of in English. Someone help me out here. Coriander, cilantro, and a beautiful whole pla kapong barramundi fish. Again, just very, very well cooked, fresh ingredients. Nothing too crazy, is there? Like flavour-wise, there's nothing like bang, like popping out at you. It's just all very well done, home cooked Thai food. I think that's the point of this restaurant. Right, Hum?
Oh, it's just, yeah, so much goodness as well in one dish.
Yeah, a lot of goodness. Helen's loving life. Yeah, rate that. As I said, it does kind of just taste like steamed Thai fish with soy sauce, but you do have the background little kick of sourness. Can't really taste much tamarind in that at all, can you? Decent. Well presented. Loads of ginger, that's all I want.
Fresh.
Oi, I just went to the toilet, I've come back, he's eating all my ice cream.
It's delicious. It's got like coconut cream, bits of ice.
Yeah, so definitely a top spot. I get confused with the Michelin guys. I'm not sure why this is like a Michelin star and then other restaurants aren't a Michelin star, but absolutely nothing to complain about. Really, really top quality food. Not the cheapest, but considering where you're sitting, it's kind of like hotel prices, like Bangkok hotel prices. And if you ask me where I would rather be, getting shaken off the top of a building during an earthquake in Bangkok, or here next to the river, watching the boats go past, I tell you exactly where I would rather be, and it's right here on the river. So yeah, top spot. I'll tell you where else is on the river is our hotel, which is absolutely beautiful. So we're going to go back there now, get freshened up, get checked in. I'll show you the hotel so you've got an option for somewhere to stay when you're up here. And then we're going to be having dinner at our Riverside hotel restaurant a little bit later so we can compare. Alright, so I know I did say in the last segment of the video that I would take you around the hotel and show you around the hotel, but to be honest, I just wanted to relax with my family and not be constantly filming and driving my wife and son insane. But I did take some footage of the hotel, so I thought I'd just take a little bit of time later on, i.e. now, and explain to you a little bit about why we loved the Kalanan Riverside Resort so much. So this absolute little hidden gem is located right next to the restaurant that we went to, Suan Thip, right on the riverside. It's like an old kind of fort, and it's got 2 swimming pools set on the most incredible grounds. It's really, really big, but it's really, really classily done. And the inside is like an old restored heritage building. As I said, it looks kind of like the fort down on Khao San Road. So I'm not sure if it was actually a fort or this is just a look they're going for, but it's got two really, really nice swimming pools. One on the river. So we sat out here, caught sunset, which was absolutely incredible. You can see all the boats zooming past, the sun setting against the water on the Chao Phraya River. Absolutely stunning. Now there is a second pool that is absolutely massive, and that is inside. Well, it's still open roofed, but it is enclosed around the rooms, and if you don't want sun on you, this is definitely the place to go. The room, really, really nice. 4-poster bed. We got all your amenities, nice big TV, decent shower, etc., etc. There was even a little desk that Finley decided was his new little reading desk while he had a nice cup of tea. Didn't even know he was into tea, but there you go. There's a lovely little balcony overlooking the little canal outside the hotel, which had a sort of Chiang Mai kind of vibe to it. They've even got a little prayer room there, which Finley took full advantage of. I didn't even know that he could pray like this, but yeah, quite proud of him. He showed us the correct way to why when you're at a temple, which is nice. That I didn't know after 9 years of living here. There's a really, really good restaurant here, set right on the river. Again, this whole area is all about being by the river. And if you know me and you follow my channel, you'll know how much I love being by the river. So this was absolutely fantastic for us. You can also sit inside. We ended up sitting inside for a bit of it and outside for a bit of it because we got down a little bit late and it was absolutely packed. But the restaurant itself, really, really nice. You've got this outside bit all lit up at night time. Really, really stunning. And we had a really, really interesting curry there, or I did a prawn and santol curry, or graton curry, which is a seasonal Thai fruit. Helen had an okay core guy, but the menu looked really, really good for hotel food, and what we had was really, really good as well. We only paid 1,800 baht for this hotel, albeit we did get an upgrade because we'd gone just after the Bangkok earthquake, so no one in the hotel wanted to be on the bottom floor, so we got upgraded to the 3rd floor. I think usually it's around 3,500 a night. And for me, completely worth it because it's 45 minutes outside of Bangkok. It's a beautiful hotel. You obviously don't have to pay for flights or like a hefty taxi fare to go, say, down. If you were going to Koh Chang, it would be like 4,500 baht for a taxi. You can get up here with a Grab for like probably less than 500 baht. So yeah, an absolute hidden gem. I would say definitely stick it on your list. If you live in Bangkok or you're visiting Bangkok and you don't want to go too far, definitely could have a couple of days here. Head over to Koh Kret or just anywhere in Nonthaburi. It's such a great area. I'm not sure if I mentioned how much the food cost in Suan Thip. It was around 1,800 baht for the 3 dishes and drinks, which is a little bit on the higher side, but it's a Michelin-starred restaurant. Helen didn't think it was overpriced. She wants to go back ASAP. She absolutely loved it. I thought it was very, very solid. Obviously 1,800 baht for 3 dishes is a little bit on the high side, but the ingredients, the execution of the Thai food, and yeah, the scenery kind of made up for it. So I'd rather spend 1,800 baht there than in a substandard Western restaurant in Bangkok, for sure. Anyway, guys, I hope I've given you a couple of nice places to go from Bangkok, and let me know in the comment section below if you're going to be visiting Suan Thip and Kalanan Riverside Resort. Of course, I will leave links to both in the description box below. That's about it from me today, and I will see you in the next one.